Lots of stuff. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. We're going to be unboxing a Colourpop mystery box. This is one that you could buy exclusively on the Colourpop website. They picked a whole bunch of makeup, threw it into a box, did it as a mystery, and I purchased one of them. They go up periodically on their site. It's called the Totally Confidential Mystery Box. It's currently out of stock on Colourpop, but I have seen them do some other like mystery boxes before, so stay tuned to their website for the mystery box. It is a $49 box, but it's worth $150, and they basically stock up the Holy Grails and then also some like new product as well, but it's worth $150 in full retail value. So this is my mystery box. Let's see if it was worth it. So the first thing is the Mandalorian. This is the, it looks like it says one hand mirror. So this is the Mandalorian mirror. There it is. This is adorable. This smells like a flip-flop, but it is brand new. Look at the cute little, oh, Claire will love this little mirror. Like, this is adorable. So we have one Mandalorian mini mirror. Claire will love this. Oh, this is nice. This is like perfect for filming on camera because it's not like completely covering my face as opposed to my Conair mirror. You gotta see this. Like, such a better comparison. Like, that's way better to use. All right. Ooh, and we have some Colourpop falsies. These are the Chica faux lashes. Let's see, they're very wispy. Those are super cute. I really wish I would have like worn these today instead of the... So right now on my lashes, I do have the Pure Raw Beauty Christie lashes, the lovely ones, which are like the super va-va-voom ones. I decided to wear them because I did do a tutorial for the Raw Beauty Christie Colourpop palette. So that will be up on my channel if you haven't seen it. And then, so I kind of wish I would have opened this and worn these today. Very wispy, more natural for me, but still like a little bit over the top. Their lashes, they don't actually come with glue. So just keep that in mind. Oh, Party Proof Eye Primer from Colourpop. Next time I try the Raw Beauty Christie palette, I'm trying this. Never even heard of, didn't even know that they had an eye primer before. I wonder how it comes. Is it squeezy or is it like a wand? Oh, it's a little squeezy. That's their new eye primer. They actually haven't had eye primer before. Okay, so we have the Luxe Velvet. This is a lipstick in Dance Off. I actually have the one in Buttercup and I love it. So, ooh, this is like super mauve-y, pretty pink. That's cute. Usually they're like $9 or $10. Then we have a Color Sticks in Happy Days. What is a color stick? Color stick. Is this a... Oh, it's an eyeshadow. That is pretty. And it's like super glittery. Oh, it glides on my hand really nicely, like butter. My biggest question is like, how is it going to settle on your eye? But that's the color. It's like a mauve pink. It almost has like sparkles in it, but you can like spread it out and sheer it out. That is pretty. Oop, oop, oh, hello. Colourpop Cream Gel Liner and Get Paid. So, oh, that's like a coppery rosy gold color. Like, look how pretty that is. Hopefully it's focusing. It is. It's like a rosy gold color. That is so pretty. Ooh. That's cute. Oh, and then we have a 4-quad. It's the Colourpop Creamsicle with that eyeliner. That'll be so pretty. This is the Creamsicle one, so it's like the peachy color story. This is a cute little mini. Actually, that's like very... because it's so like cranberry, it kind of reminds me of fall. That's super cute. Oh, and we have another Colourpop This is the Feeling Coconutty. This is one of their other quads. Very, very neutral. I kind of like how like small this is. If this is the same quality as the other Colourpop palettes, this would be like perfect for travel. Then we have a BFF liquid liner. This is in the shade, it's blue. It's in the shade Crazy, CRZY. I think that's what it is. Crazy, but it's this. Is this blue? It is. It's like inky blue. That is pretty. I'm gonna play with you. Okay, so we're halfway through the box. That's more of the little stuff. Oh, we do have, we have a Colourpop Super Shock shadow. What color is this? It's from their Bubbly collection. It is the shade Cheap Date. It's like a grungy gold color. That is so pretty. Actually, like some of their Super Shocks are like my absolute favorite. It's like a grungy gold color. Oh, that's pretty. That is so pretty. I'm gonna have to play with that too. Look at that. It's like a grungy gold color. That and that blue liner. And I'm celebrating Notre Dame. Okay, we have a Luxe lip oil. This is from the, what is it called? Glow Getter collection or something like that. Because there's an eyeshadow palette in here as well. Oh, that's pretty. This is like a peachy lip oil. I'm actually going to put some of this on. It smells like a peach, like an orange. That's like moisturizing and pretty. I like that. And then speaking of the eyeshadow palette, there's this one. It is the Glow Getter. I don't know what collection this is from because like I've never even heard of this collection before. There's like dragonflies on it. Does it go with the So Fly palette? Because I have that palette, but didn't know it had like a sister blue palette like this. And here's the color story. Very neutral with a pop of green in here. And then this is really pretty. It has like a yellow color. It actually kind of reminds me of like a firefly, but it has like, this one's called Glowworm. And that shade reminds me of one in the Mint to Be palette. So it's like a mixture of like green and neutral colors. Is that? No, that's a powder. Kind of cute, right? Oh, what's this? Fourth Ray Superfood Nourishing Mask. Avocado Superfood Nourishing Mask. Oh, it's so green and cute. I feel like there was a theme with this. Maybe they're just dumping their collection, but it is a green mask, facial mask for, it says healthier looking skin. It softens, refines, and nourishes. Apply to skin and leave on for 5 to 15 minutes, then remove thoroughly with warm water. The Avocado Super Nourishing Mask is uniquely designed to give your skin a healthy boost, power-packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. And then I guess it has avocado, matcha, kale, and they nourish, soften, and replenish the skin. So wonder if this helps with breakouts because I've been breaking out like crazy lately. That is really cool though. Didn't even know that they had like face masks from Soul Body. I thought it was more like body. And then Twist of Slate. This is the, ooh, that fell out. This is the other eyeshadow palette. This is their, what, 8 pan? 10 pan? 10 pan one. These remind me of like the ABH, the way that they're packaged because of the, how many like shades come with it. I saw Taylor Wynn do a whole tutorial on this and like a whole review. It's very cool toned and it reminds me of Stone Cold Fox quite a bit. But I guess one of the shades in here is actually like a cream shade, which is this one right here. It's called In the Stars. Yeah, it is. That's a cream, but that's like really oily. I don't know if I like, does it dry down powdery? Or would this be more like, I don't know, would it be more like a base? Like what would that be used for? But Twist of Slate. This definitely reminds me of the Stone Cold Fox. Like a lot of the colors in here are a lot like Stone Cold Fox. So this might be like a good smaller alternative to Stone Cold Fox. If you guys want to see like comparisons between that one and this one, leave me a comment in the description box. Leave me a comment down below. Oh, and then I have this teeny tiny little, these are jewels for your face. I'm actually thinking I'm going to use a lot of these for Halloween. Don't know what I'm going to be yet, but I will be somebody something. Yeah, that's not a bad mystery box. Lots of stuff in there. Some great eyeshadow palettes that I've not gotten a chance to try yet, like Twist of Slate and Glow Getter. This one, I wonder if it is the sister companion to So Fly. It's a very neutral though. Very, very neutral. And like this one, it's like a blue. Instead of a black, it's like a blue-gray. So let me just take a look at some of these things that we got here. Throwing away all the boxes. So much packaging. Okay, so really excited about the eye primer, the color sticks. This is really pretty. That pinky mauve color. That's like a one shadow and done type of thing. And that blue eyeliner is like pigmented as all get out. It's swatched on my hand right here. Like super pretty. And my hair is like all over the place today because it's still like humid out and my hair's just, you know, curly. Ooh, so like Twist of Slate with the blue. That would be so pretty. And I'm really excited about these two little 4-quads. Like these seem like really great mini palettes to like take with you on the go. This one really reminds me of some of the shadows that you can find in Going Coconuts though. So yeah, and then this one, I swear I've seen these colors before. Oh, that's really pretty though. Like that's really pretty. And then they kind of look like I think it's the Baby Got Peach palette that has really similar colors to this. Just a cute little quad. So we got 4 eyeshadow palettes, 2 minis, like, and 2 middies, I guess. So yeah, definitely, like, these are beautiful. This looks like Stone Cold Fox, or even That's Taupe, which I have. Hold on. So That's Taupe, Twist of Slate. These are actually both on the Colourpop site. This one has a Super Shock in it. Slated, which is actually really similar to the Raw Beauty Christy ones. This one does not, but these shades are really, really similar. Like, that's insane. So if you guys want to see a comparison between these two or even Stone Cold Fox, leave me a comment down below because that's crazy. Who would have thought? Colourpop like duping themselves. But if you guys want to see some eyeshadow looks with Twist of Slate, leave me a comment down below. Maybe a 3 looks 1 palette, maybe a comparison, and even with Glow Getter. Like there's so many neutral shades in here. It's really pretty, but it's definitely, some of these are warm, some of these are cool, but those are really pretty as well. All of this in the Colourpop mystery box, $150 worth of makeup for $49, and you get a lot of stuff in here, a lot of stuff. So hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned for Colourpop's next like mystery box. We'll see like what they have in there. This one is actually a decent box. They have some beautiful, beautiful shades in here, some beautiful eyeliner, lip liner. Thank you so much for watching through to the end of this video. If you like it, hit the subscribe button and the like button, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!